welcome back to Fourby. My name is Neil, and today we're working on part of the Defender, and it's the B pillar and the sill section, which my Defender has rotted right out. A lot of you guys know that Fourby makes some films that we put up on YouTube, and it's generally green laning, off-roading, that sort of thing. We also run a website, and the website deals in off-road parts, bits and pieces, stuff that you'd like to take with you on a trip. But there's another side to it as well, and this is going to show you what I get up to in my spare time when I'm not running Fourby, when I'm not shooting films on the green lanes, when I'm not out and about at pay and play sites. We have a Defender, and it's in the process of being rebuilt, and I'm in the workshop. I say the workshop, the shed in the bottom of my garden, and I've got some bits and pieces, and we're going to run through just some of the processes involved in bringing this old Defender back to life. Now, I've known this car for a number of years. It belonged to a friend of mine. He sold it to me a few years back, and I've been restoring it over the course of time. And I'll show you around the car at some stage, but today I'm in the workshop and I've got this sill section that needs to be repaired, so I'll bring you in. Now, these sill sections are really quite expensive, so it makes quite a lot of sense to have a go at trying to repair it before we have to shell out on a new one, and hopefully we can do a successful repair and we won't have to do that. What you can see here is one of the repairs that I've made already. This little piece that runs along the bottom is part of the door seal, and the door seal rubber sits against here, and what happens is these are a real moisture trap, and we've got two pieces of metal that are placed together and they are spot welded, and the water gets in between those and it causes them to burst out and rot away. So what we've done is we've cut away a lot of the rot here, as you can see probably from the primer. This is a Corollas rust stabilizing primer that I've got on here, but we've also got these sections here that need repair, and the original metal is rolled over, so this is actually hollow, and again it fills with water and it rots out from the inside. What I'm doing is I'm cutting some little sections out, plug welding some plate into place, and I'm using some solid bar just to effect the repair. So let's take some measurements. 165mm. And height we're looking at about 32. What we're going to do is we'll use the brilliant hill shear, which is something that I picked up last year at one of the Land Rover Auto Jumbles. It's an awesome bit of kit. If you ever see one, I would highly recommend picking it up. Just going to trim this to length, put that angle on it. 165mm, that's about right. 165. Who else writes on their workbench? So you've got a little bit of overlap here. I think what I'm going to do is try and blend it in with the TIG.